Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on changing the engine and wheel of your Conga 1090. Before we dive into the steps, let's go over the tools you will need for this project. 1. Socket set. A complete socket set will be crucial for removing the engine and wheel bolts. 2. Screwdriver set. Both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers will be needed for various screws. 3. Wrench. A wrench will help in loosening tight bolts during the process. 4. Torque wrench. This is essential for reassembling the engine and wheel to the manufacturer's specifications. 5. Cleaning supplies. Have some rags and a degreaser ready to clean parts as you work. Step 1. Safety first. Ensure your work area is clean and well lit. Disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Step 2. Remove the wheel. Using your socket set, start by removing the wheel. Loosen the bolts in a crisscross pattern to avoid warping the wheel. If you find it difficult to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your machine. Step 3. Access the engine. Once the wheel is off, locate the engine compartment. You may need to remove additional panels or covers. Use your screwdriver set to carefully remove any screws holding these panels in place. Take this opportunity to clean the internal components with your degreaser. A clean workspace is vital for a successful repair. Step 4. Disconnect the engine. Now, you will need to disconnect the engine from its mounts. Use the wrench to remove the bolts attaching the engine to the frame. Keep track of all screws and bolts. It's helpful to organize them in a container. If you're unsure or don't have the tools, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you understand the condition of your machine. Step 5. Replace the engine. Carefully lift the old engine out and set it aside. Position the new engine into the compartment, ensuring it aligns with the mount points. Secure it with the bolts using the torque wrench to ensure it's fastened according to specifications. This step is crucial for the longevity of your repair. Step 6. Reattach the wheel. With the engine in place, it's time to reattach the wheel. Align it properly and tighten the bolts in the same crisscross pattern you used to remove it. This ensures even distribution of pressure. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, we're here to help with no calls, no travel needed, just a simple service at your convenience. Step 7. Final checks. Before finishing up, double-check all connections and bolts. Ensure everything is securely fastened. Reconnect the battery, and do a quick visual inspection to ensure no tools or parts are left behind. Conclusion. You've successfully changed the engine and wheel of your Conga 1090. Don't forget to test your machine before full use. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Your satisfaction is our priority. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.